Upgrade your driving experience with the Overman K600 4K dash cam. Looking for the ultimate front and rear dash cam to keep you safe on the road? The Overman K600 captures every detail in stunning 4K Ultra HD and 1080p resolution, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. From license plates to road signs and pedestrians, this high-definition recording system delivers crystal clear footage that could be vital in an emergency. With a 170-degree front and 150-degree rear wide-angle lens, this dashcam covers more of the road while minimizing blind spots. Its advanced night vision technology ensures sharp, color-rich video even in low-light conditions, making night driving safer than ever. The 3.59-inch intuitive display offers a seamless viewing experience, while 5G Wi-Fi connectivity lets you manage, view, and instantly share recordings via the app. No wires needed. But that's not all. The built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location, providing valuable data in case of an accident. Plus, with 24/7 parking surveillance, your vehicle stays protected even when you're not around. Hardware kit required, sold separately. Thanks to loop recording, you never have to worry about running out of storage. The system automatically overwrites old files. And to get you started right away, the 32GB SD card is included for free. Don't wait. Protect yourself on the road today. Click the link below to grab yours now. And don't forget to click the subscription button for more videos from this channel.